Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locking the door. Enable network-level authentication so unauthenticated sessions never reach the desktop. Next, restrict logins to dedicated accounts rather than administrator. This reduces blast radius. Once done, enforce strong passwords and multi-factor authentication and consider moving the default RDP port. This is not security by obscurity, but it reduces casual scans. Make sure to document changes so you can revert safely, and test a single client before wide rollout. Continue by hardening monitoring and controls. Restrict RDP to known IPs or force traffic through a VPN gateway, which isolates access. Then, turn on detailed logging and feed events into your SIEM or alerting system so failed attempts trigger responses. Make sure account lockout thresholds are sensible and update the OS and RDP client regularly to close vulnerabilities. Finally, limit concurrent sessions and audit installed applications to remove unnecessary attack surface. This reduces the chance of lateral movement. To complete the process, schedule recurring vulnerability scans and periodic penetration tests. These validate your controls over time. Maintain an asset inventory so you know which hosts expose RDP and apply updates promptly. If you detect abuse, follow an incident playbook. Isolate the host, rotate credentials, and perform a thorough log review to scope impact. Make sure users are trained to recognize phishing and unexpected connection prompts. Most compromises start with social engineering, so prevention is essential.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.